Hey, I'm Tim. Look, dropping cash on an air fryer is risky. You don't want to buy something that cooks unevenly or dies after 3 months. I tested 5 of the most popular models right now based on actual cooking speed, capacity, crispiness, and how easy they are to clean. And here's the thing, one of these completely changed what I thought about DualZone cooking. I fried frozen wings, baked whole meals, reheated pizza, pushed each one to the limit in real-world tests. By the time we hit number 1, you're going to know exactly which air fryer is worth your money. If you want honest gear tests every week, hit subscribe.
This little box is seriously compact. Looks like a toaster on my counter. The Chefman is a 2-quart mini air fryer with a digital touchscreen, non-stick basket, and shake notifications halfway through cooking. It's designed for 1 or 2 people max, and honestly, for tight kitchens, it's a space saver. I tested it first with a batch of frozen fries. It heats up fast, but here's the reality. After just 5 minutes of frying, I hit the capacity wall hard. 2 quarts means you're cooking in small portions, which is fine if you live alone. Then I tried reheating leftover pizza, and it actually did that better than expected. Cleanup is dead simple because everything's dishwasher safe. The big con? You're basically locked into cooking for 1 or 2 people. Try feeding a family, and you're running batches all day. The timer screen works, but it's cramped. For a solo cook or apartment dweller on a tight budget, this works. But if you ever want to cook a full meal for guests, you'll regret it immediately. And it only gets better from here.
Priced at $69.99.
The Ninja AF141 hits right in the middle. 5-quart capacity, straightforward 4-in-1 functions, 400-degree max temperature. This is the no-nonsense air fryer. I pulled it out and the build feels solid. The basket is non-stick and the crisper plate separates nicely for easy washing. I loaded it up with 4 pounds of frozen fries. Yes, they fit, which is impressive. And in 18 minutes, I had crispy, golden fries with barely any oil. Then I pushed harder with chicken wings. The Air Crisp technology does exactly what it promises, hot air circulation that crisps everything without deep frying. But here's where it stalls. The 4 functions are basic compared to what else is out there. You get air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, but no bake or broil options. I tried roasting a whole chicken and it cooked evenly on one side. The 400-degree max also caps out earlier than competitors. For someone who wants a reliable workhorse that handles frozen foods beautifully and won't fail you, this delivers. But if you want versatility and precision temperature control, you'll feel the limitations pretty quick, because the next pick raises the bar even higher.
Priced at $89.98. Okay, Cosori just landed here, and this thing is built different. 9 programs: air fry, roast, bake, broil, dry, frozen, proof, reheat, keep warm, and a 6-quart square basket that's deeper than traditional round ones. The TurboBlaze tech means a 3600 RPM fan and temperatures that go up to 450 degrees. I saw the ceramic coating right away and appreciated it. PFAS-free, which matters for health-conscious cooks. First test was baking. I threw in homemade pizza dough to proof it, and the precision temperature control from 90 to 450 degrees actually worked. The dough rose evenly, something the other models struggled with. Then I baked actual pizza. Crispy crust, even browning, no hot spots. The 5-fan speed system is the real differentiator here. You can dial in exactly the airflow you need, which sounds nerdy but changes everything for baking and broiling. I also tested dehydrating some apple chips overnight, and they came out perfectly. The cons: the square basket is less intuitive to load than a round one, and the control panel has a steep learning curve compared to simpler models. Plus, that 450-degree max heats it up fast but can actually over-crisp delicate foods if you're not careful. For someone who wants more than just frying, who wants to bake, broil, and experiment, this is your pick. And here's what makes this even better. Tim's Top 5 members get early access to next week's Kitchen Gadget Countdown before it drops on the main channel, so you can always know it's coming. Stick around, this list is about to get really interesting.
Priced at $89.99. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus is a serious contender. 6-quart capacity, 6-in-1 functions, even crisp technology, and a full touchscreen with customizable presets. This is what happens when a trusted brand knows what they're doing. The Clear Cook window is honestly genius. I could monitor food without cracking the basket open, which saves heat and gives you better results. I ran it through everything. Frozen fish fillets came out crispy outside, tender inside. The Even Crisp tech actually delivers. 95% less oil than traditional frying. Roasting a whole chicken was where this shined.
The heat distribution is tight, and I got even browning all around. Then I tested the odor erase filters. My kitchen usually reeks after heavy cooking, but this one seriously cut down on lingering smells. That's not a gimmick, it's real convenience. The 6 customizable presets are useful too. Save your perfect fried chicken settings, and next time you hit one button. However, and this is important, the basket loading is awkward because the shape is odd. You've got to think about angle and placement more than other models. The even crisp technology also means it's slow on the fastest settings, which is weird for something marketing itself as top tier. I also noticed the touchscreen is sensitive to moisture, and I had phantom inputs once. For someone who wants reliability, preset convenience, and better odor control, this is genuinely excellent. But there's one air fryer that absolutely dominates, and it's coming next.
Priced at $129.99. And here it is, the Ninja DZ550 Foodi DualZone. This is the one that changes the game. 10-quart capacity with 2 completely independent baskets. Each side has its own heating element, its own temperature control, its own timer. You're literally running 2 air fryers at once, which sounds excessive until you actually use it. I loaded the left basket with chicken wings set to 400 degrees. Right basket, frozen fries at 380. Both cooked perfectly at the same time. Wings came out crispy and golden. Fries were hot, perfect, zero interference. That's the DualZone magic. But wait, there's the Smart Finish function. Cook 2 foods 2 ways, and the Foodi automatically finishes them together. I tested it with steak and vegetables. Steak needed high heat, vegetables needed lower. I set it up and the system actually adjusted timing so they finished simultaneously. Perfectly done steak, perfectly cooked veggies, no babysitting. The Smart Cook thermometer is built in, which means you can set exact doneness levels, rare, medium, well done, and it tells you when you've hit target temperature. I tested it with a burger, nailed medium rare every single time. 6 functions across both zones: air fry, broil, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate. The non-stick surface is PFAS-free ceramic. Cleanup, both baskets are dishwasher safe. The cons are real though. At this size, it dominates counter space. It's bigger than most full-size ovens, and the price is premium. You're paying for that independent heating and smart technology. But if you feed a family, if you hate back-to-back cooking, if you want restaurant-level precision on doneness, this is the only air fryer that actually delivers all of it at once. It's reliable, it's fast, and it flat out wins. Priced at $199.80.
That's the air fryer that just flat out won. All 5 product links are down in the description below. If this helped, please like and subscribe to Tim's Top 5. Thanks for watching.